Una good morning, my country people. Now the plenty many things where they happen for this country where I want to talk about. Now African mega scare for Egbuluka TV they talk to you this morning. My talk to this morning now to our youths. Because now our youths be the power of this country now. Our youths I want beg on make una try go get on a PVC because time don't reach to vote out bad leadership for this country. Time don't reach. If you still dey for where you dey comfortable dey sing praises for politicians, make you take your time waka various communities the way I dey waka to go see wetin dey happen to other peoples wey get people wey dey represent them for government. Make you go see how they don abandon them. My brother, make you no just dey look only your own. Try to dey empathize. They put yourself in another person's shoe. They feel wetin dem dey feel. Na the way we go take move this country forward. God, like say these politicians dey feel wetin we dey feel. Wey we dey sleep without light. Dey pass bad roads. See that Ajaokuta road, e don spoil my motor several times. I don spend better money for motor for passing that road. And quickly before I continue with Nigerian youths, the securities dem wey dey for inside that Ajaokuta steel company, I take go beg una make una dey allow people dey pass inside that Ajaokuta steel. The other road no good. Make una no even dey collect money from them abeg as una dey collect small money. Make una leave them make dem dey pass there. Government no do the other road. Nigerian youths abeg if these people like us for this country, they like una, then go develop this country. Their children go school here because they go build better schools. But see wetin they do us, and we still dey support them. Abeg make we no support bad leadership for this country. The time is now to vote out bad leadership in this country. Everybody go and get your PVC. Let us stand our ground the way Edo people stood their ground to say that no, we won't allow nonsense. Let us stand our ground in this country. The way we stood our ground to vote out PDP in 2015. Let's stand our ground to vote out all of them. They are not good. We thought that PDP was a bad party, but look at what we are seeing now. How do you see it now? Small time now you go see that they go come out from the party where they now, go back to PDP. We go call the clap fan for them again. Make we no allow them deceive us. Now the same people. Say somebody come out for one secondary school, go wear another uniform for another secondary school. You know mean say the person don't change, you know the same person. So I beg, make we no support bad leadership for this country. Thank you very much. And please don't forget to email us for egbulukatv@gmail.com. If you get any place for your area where no get light, no get good road, no get hair care center, and the place no dey develop, I beg, send us email. Send us email and tell us the local government, tell us the ward, tell us the state, and we will talk about it. We will go to continue to forward petition to National Assembly. We no go keep quiet for this country until they do the right thing.